Class 9. Now I am doing question number 17. Mohim takes 46 seconds and 44 seconds respectively to go round along the outer and inner edges of a circular path with 7 meter 5 decimeter width by a cycle. Okay, again I am repeating. Mohim takes 46 seconds for rounding outer side and 44 seconds for rounding inner edge or side. Okay, and what is the width of the path, circular path? 7 meter 5 decimeter. Width is 7 meter 5 decimeter. Okay, let us calculate the diameter of the circle along the inner edge of the path. What they are telling you? Find the diameter of the circle along the inner edge, not the outer one, along the inner edge. Okay, now see this one. It is little bit different from the last one. Okay, width is given how much? 7 meter 5 decimeter. If you will convert 5 decimeter into meter, what you will do? You will divide by 10, so it will come 7.5 meter. I think you know how to convert. I am not going to explain this one how to convert. Okay, now inner radius, you have this type of diagram. This is the inner field and this is the outer edge. This is the inner edge. Can you see small one? This is the inner edge and this is the outer edge. And width is this one, between inner edge and outer edge. This part is width. Okay, width is given how much? 7.5. Okay, width is already given and they are telling you find the diameter of inner edge. So we don't know what is the radius, so first I am taking, let inner radius be r meter. Circumference of inner radius, circular path, if r is the radius, circumference will be 2 pi r meter only. Why I am writing meter? Because I am finding in meter only. Okay, now outer radius will be r plus 7.5. How? Now inner radius is this one, from center to the edge of inner circle, so this is r. Okay, and this one, this width is 7.5. so what will be the outer radius? Outer radius start from the center and end in this one. Okay, this part from here it is starting and it is ending in this part, this one. Okay, this full is outer radius. So you are taking inner radius r. What is the width? 7.5. so r plus 7.5 will be your outer radius. That is why I have written outer radius is r plus 7.5. okay, circumference of outer circular part will be 2 pi. In place of r, what we will write? We have taken r plus 7.5, so we will write r plus 7.5 meter. Okay, time taken in outer path, when he is going outer edge, he is taking 46 second, and time taken in inner part 44 second. So what will be the speed in the inner part? You know what is the formula for speed? Distance by time. Distance in outer part is 2 pi r and time is how much? 44 seconds. So 2 pi r by 44 second. Speed in outer part will be d by t. Distance is 2 pi r plus 7.5 by time is 46 second. Okay, we got speed of inner part, speed of outer part. You can write age also. Okay, I am writing part, you can write age also. Now speed will be same for both because they are not mentioning anything. That is why I have written 2 pi, means inner part speed is equals to outer part speed. So 2 pi r by 44 equals to 2 pi r plus 7.5 by 46. 2 pi will cancel out. Now using 2's table, 2 2's are 4, 2 2's are 4, 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6. Now nothing will cancel, so I am writing as it is. Then I am doing cross multiplication. 23 into r, 23 r, 22 into r plus 7.5, 22. Now this 22 will multiply with both, so 22 r, 22 plus 7.5, it will give you 165. Now 22 r will come this side, it will become minus 22 r. 23 r minus 22 r will give you r 165. So inner radius we are getting 165. Why? Because I have taken already, let the inner radius be r meter, means inner radius I am getting r meter. So what will be the diameter of inner part? 2r, means 2 into 165 will give you 330 meter. Homework is question number 18. Okay.